It's a good question because both hygienic AHU and the traditional AHU, they treat air, but the key difference lies on the construction and also the suitability for environments that has higher demands on hygienic matters. I can summarize what sets them apart. The first point is the application requirements. The hygienic AHU is commonly used in the hospitals, clean rooms, pharmaceutical industries, where the hygienic requirements are very high. On the standard AHUs are commonly used on the commercial buildings, offices, schools, where air quality is important, but is not so demanding. The second point, I would say, that is the design features. The hygienic AHU, they are built corrosion resistant to minimize risks of contamination and to easy cleaning. Materials are chosen accordingly with the very strict criteria of corrosion resistance, and also they need to have properties that would not allow the growth of microorganisms, bacteria, fungi, etc. The materials used in the construction of AHUs, we could divide it in metal materials and non-metallic materials. Regarding the metal parts of the construction of the AHUs, the hygienic AHUs, the criteria of the choice of this type of material, it depends on the level of hygienic required. The minimum required class for environmental corrosion is C3 under the Eurovent certification program. Regarding the non-metallic parts, we are talking about gasket rubbers, filters, some plastic components that are used in the construction of the hygienic AHU. These materials must be tested in a certified laboratory to prove that the growth of the microorganisms are lower or equal to 1 of the table 4 of ISO 846 standard. Well, the third and the last point, I would say, that is maintenance. The hygienic AHU are designed for easy cleaning and disinfection. They must have features that not allow the microbial growth. All components must be easy access, upstream and downstream of the component, and also has to be access to all internal parts of the AHU. All the panels must be accessible. The sizes of the axes must be determined and are defined in the program of Eurovent, and is based on the size of the unit and its configuration, ensuring that there's enough space for cleaning, inspection. On the other hand, the typical AHU may not be tailored for these kind of maintenance procedures. In summary, an hygienic AHU is built within an emphasis of maintaining the clean and sterile air using advanced materials, filtration, sealings to prevent contamination risks, while the traditional AHU is designed to general ventilation without the same demands of hygienic requirements. Eurovent certification program, the hygienic requirements has 3 levels of classification, from level 1 to level 3. Level 1 is the basic level of certification and is focused on the minimum requirements of hygiene and low risk of contamination for microbial or fungus or bacteria. This level is common use in commercial buildings, offices, schools. Level 2 is a more strict in hygienic requirements and is more focused on giving a control on within the AHU. The level 2 is suitable for use in hospitals and healthcare buildings. This level complies with the VDI 6122 standards. Level 3 is the highest level of the certification, and it's designed for application that has very high requirements of hygiene and safety, particularly in critical environments. This level is suitable for pharmaceutical industry, clean rooms, white rooms. This level complies with VDI 6022 and DIN 1946 standards. When Sandometal decided to introduce its manufacture in their manufacture the hygienic AHU and think about certified the units of the certification was initially a debate internally. After a careful analysis, we decided to fall on Eurovent certification because of many reasons that I will point the most relevant. The first main reason is the recognition and the credibility. Eurovent products already are recognized on the market and its credibility. So the hygienic AHU product certified by Eurovent will also have the same credibility and recognition. The second point is to increase the national and also international sales. If the recognition of Eurovent is well known, it can facilitate the acceptance of the products in the markets, the products that are certified by Eurovent, and also the entry in other countries, in particularly in Europe. I will point another reason that is about the energy efficiency and the sustainability. Sandometal is aligned with Eurovent's performance metrics that are focused on energy efficiency and sustainability. Sandometal follow the global concerns about these matters and take measures that favor the energy efficiency and also the sustainability. Eurovent certification provides a warranty that the hygienic air handling unit fulfills the high quality standards, which is why we believe that the certified Eurovent products will be the choice of the market.